Living in a place where nature repeatedly destroys homes is one of the most challenging experiences for humanity. Across the globe, there are communities that face natural disasters such as hurricanes, floods, earthquakes, and wildfires, yet they continue to rebuild and live in these areas. Imagine waking up every morning knowing that a storm, a flood, or a volcanic eruption could wipe out your home in a matter of hours. These communities showcase an extraordinary mix of resilience, adaptability, and sometimes sheer necessity. In regions prone to hurricanes, like parts of Central America and the Caribbean, families reconstruct their homes after each devastating storm season. These tropical storms can reach wind speeds over 150 miles per hour, tearing off roofs, flooding streets, and destroying entire neighborhoods. The emotional toll is immense, but people often rebuild because land scarcity, cultural roots, and livelihood dependence make leaving impossible. Highlighting this human spirit, experts often study these areas to understand how disaster preparedness and community support systems help mitigate the recurring destruction. Flood-prone areas present another extreme. For instance, the Ganges River Basin in India and Bangladesh experiences seasonal monsoon floods that submerge thousands of homes. Families build stilt houses or elevate their homes using flood-resistant materials, demonstrating ingenious adaptation. However, the economic impact is severe. Crops are destroyed, roads are washed away, and public infrastructure is constantly under repair. Yet, these communities endure, highlighting a profound lesson about human perseverance in the face of relentless natural challenges. Earthquake zones also test human resilience. Countries like Japan, Nepal, and parts of Turkey face frequent seismic activity that reduces homes to rubble. Despite this, people continue to live and rebuild in these regions, often utilizing earthquake-resistant architecture and strict building codes. This demonstrates not only engineering innovation but also the strong cultural connection to their land. The decision to rebuild in earthquake-prone areas often balances the emotional value of home with economic limitations, showing how humans negotiate risk and attachment to place. Wildfires add yet another layer of destruction. Areas like California in the United States, Australia, and Mediterranean Europe face summer wildfires that engulf forests and settlements. Homes made of flammable materials are particularly vulnerable, and entire neighborhoods may need evacuation multiple times each year. Despite these dangers, people return, rebuild, and sometimes even fireproof their homes using modern defensive landscaping and fire-resistant materials. Highlighting the courage to live amidst fire risk, these communities teach valuable lessons about preparedness, resourcefulness, and the emotional bonds that tie people to their homes. Beyond physical destruction, living in such areas deeply affects mental health. Families experience stress, anxiety, and sometimes post-traumatic challenges, yet community support, local traditions, and shared experiences help maintain social cohesion. Studies show that people in disaster-prone regions often develop strong interpersonal networks, helping each other rebuild and providing psychological support. This collective resilience is a powerful reminder that human survival depends not just on physical structures but also on relationships, culture, and shared knowledge. Interestingly, despite repeated destruction, many families choose not to relocate permanently. Historical ties, ancestral lands, and livelihood dependencies make moving difficult. For example, fishermen in coastal villages affected by tsunamis may lose homes but stay near the sea because their income depends on fishing. Farmers in floodplains continue cultivating fertile land despite knowing the risks. These choices highlight the complex trade-offs between safety, tradition, and economic necessity, emphasizing that human connection to place is often stronger than fear of destruction. Efforts to reduce repeated destruction are ongoing. Governments, NGOs, and disaster relief organizations work to provide early warning systems, emergency shelters, and education on disaster preparedness. Modern architecture incorporates storm-proof, earthquake-resistant, and fire-resistant designs. Additionally, insurance programs and community disaster drills help families minimize losses. While nature remains unpredictable, human ingenuity, resilience, and adaptability continue to push the boundaries of survival in the most challenging environments. In conclusion, living where nature destroys homes repeatedly is a testament to human courage, resilience, and adaptability. Despite facing hurricanes, floods, earthquakes, and wildfires, people rebuild, maintain their traditions, and protect their communities. These stories inspire a deeper understanding of human perseverance and highlight the importance of preparedness, community support, and innovative solutions in areas most vulnerable to natural disasters. In such places, the human spirit triumphs over repeated destruction, showing that while nature can demolish homes, it cannot destroy the determination, hope, and ingenuity of people who call these challenging environments their home. Living amidst repeated natural disasters reminds us of the fragility of human life, the power of resilience, and the extraordinary strength of communities bound together by shared struggle and unwavering hope.